Timeline before listing a home. So a question that we often get asked by people are the timelines. When are they selling? What should you expect? After working with hundreds of sellers here in the Treasure Valley, it's a question that we get asked all the time. Hi, we are Carlette
and Cheyenne of the Real Estate Dream Team. Well, we really need to get the home ready for sale. You really need to be careful not to just slap the home on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers go into your home.
So after we meet and you decide to list with us, we'll give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, we'll then schedule an appointment with our stager to come over and actually give you a recommendation on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost for you for this service, but it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. We also offer free partial staging of your home. It costs you nothing.
Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we will schedule our professional photographer and videographer to come to your home to capitalize on all of the unique features of the home. Once we have the pictures and all the videos, we will then work on all of the back-end digital marketing, so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put up a sign and put it on MLS, it's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know, by just posting your home on a Facebook page or on a business page, only about 3% of people are actually seeing it. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms.
During this time, we also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going into the multiple listing service. We also go over all the disclosures with you, so we have these available for buyers to actually look at so they are fully aware of the condition of your home prior to making an offer. Don't forget, we go on to all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. And we've enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to be calling you to take their clients through their home so they can see it. The buyer's agent will accompany them, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it will take for your home to sell. We are Carlette
and Cheyenne
of the Real Estate Dream Team,
turning your dreams into an address.